Pomegranate juice, rich in over 100 phytochemicals, has been used medicinally for thousands of years. Modern research continues to uncover its extensive health benefits, including potential roles in cancer prevention, digestive health, vitamin C provision, antioxidant support, and arthritis relief. 1. Cancer prevention. Recent studies have suggested that pomegranate juice might inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Researchers have observed that the juice's high antioxidant content, particularly L-glutathione, may help slow cancer cell proliferation and induce apoptosis, programmed cell death. Although these findings are promising, they are still preliminary, and there are no long-term human studies confirming that pomegranate juice can prevent cancer. However, its rich blend of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties makes it a healthy addition to any diet, potentially contributing to overall cancer risk reduction. 2. Digestive health. Pomegranate juice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can significantly benefit digestive health. It can help reduce inflammation in the gut, making it beneficial for individuals suffering from inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. The juice contains punicolagen and other polyphenols that help soothe the digestive tract and improve gut flora balance. Regular consumption can lead to better digestion, reduced symptoms of bowel diseases, and overall improved gastrointestinal function. 3. Rich in vitamin C. A single pomegranate can provide more than 40% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, an essential nutrient for immune function, skin health, and wound healing. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage by free radicals. However, it's important to consume fresh or homemade pomegranate juice to maximize the intake of this vitamin, as pasteurization can significantly reduce its vitamin C content. Fresh juice retains the full spectrum of nutrients, offering the most health benefits. 4. Antioxidant powerhouse. Pomegranate juice is one of the richest sources of antioxidants among fruit juices, containing polyphenols like punicolagen, anthocyanins, and tannins. These antioxidants are responsible for the juice's deep red color and its ability to combat oxidative stress. Pomegranate juice has been found to have 3 times the antioxidant activity of red wine and green tea. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative damage to cells and tissues, which can lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. 5. Arthritis relief. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate juice extend to joint health, making it a potential ally in managing arthritis. Flavonols in the juice may help block enzymes that cause damage to cartilage, thus reducing symptoms of osteoarthritis. Current research is exploring its effects on other types of arthritis, including rheumatoid arthritis, as well as its potential to slow the progression of joint degeneration. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice may alleviate pain, reduce inflammation, and improve joint function in individuals with arthritis.